Good morning. Happy Monday. This is your Monday meditation that happens every week at 11:11 a.m. Eastern. I am Rebekah Borucki. I am super tired, but I didn't turn the alerts off for today's meditation, so here I am. And I'm really happy that it got me away from the computer and in front of you all so that I can meditate and check in with myself. Even though I am a meditation guide, I actually don't care if people meditate. I just want them to connect to themselves in a meaningful way every single day. I just happen to do it through meditation, and I'm going to lead you through one right now. Hello, Dara Rose. Hello, Andrew. It's so good to see you. So if you're watching this in replay on YouTube or on IGTV, you can go ahead and click the links in the video description to join me and to get these alerts through my private Facebook community. You can also find links there for my new children's book, Zara. I'm asking people to join Zara's Village, pre-order the book. It supports kids in public schools in Baltimore and possibly in Newark, New Jersey. And then my other book, Managing the Mother Load, which is for mothers and nurturers everywhere, and you're absolutely going to love it. It's a good one. I'm proud of it. Today's meditation is for deep relaxation and stress relief. It's been a very, very busy month for me. I had my second book launch, and now the children's book is going out there in the world, and I'm just working around the clock, trying to get people excited about both projects and just trying to do some good in the world. So I need this one today. I always start meditation by just centering myself with a big inhale and exhale, putting myself in the moment. So whatever chaos was going on around me, I just bring it back, bring it in with my breath, reminding myself that I'm here, allowing my breath to be an affirmation of my aliveness, of my ability to really center myself no matter what's going on. So let's take a big inhale and exhale together. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale, maybe with sound. If it feels good, safe, comfortable for you to close your eyes, you can go ahead and do that now. If it doesn't, just focus gently on an object across the room, a spot on the wall, maybe on the floor right past your nose. To sit up nice and tall as you can. Inhale your shoulders up to your ears. And then exhale, roll your shoulder blades down along your spine. One more time, inhaling your shoulders up. Exhaling your shoulders back and down. And just pause in the silence. And that doesn't mean no sound or no noise. Silence in meditation is just that feeling of stillness and being in the moment. Bring your attention to your easy inhales and exhales, your natural breath as it is in this moment, the effortless way that you are calling in energy on your in-breath and releasing any tension on your out-breath. Everything is easy now. Breathing comes naturally. There's no need to try to make it a certain way. Just bringing your attention to your inhales and exhales is already putting you into a deeper state of peace and calm. It's putting you at ease. Everything is easy now. Placing your focus at the crown of your head, imagine that there's a beautiful glowing white light hovering just above your head. This light is warm and gentle. It's a healing light. It has the power to soothe, to relax, to heal. On your inhale, imagine the light glowing even brighter. And with your exhale, imagine it moving down, down into your headspace. Easing any tension, softening the muscles behind your eyes, allowing your jaw to open just a bit and be easy. Your lips are parted, and maybe your tongue is resting on the roof of your mouth. Again, with your next in-breath, imagine that healing, relaxing light glowing brighter. And then on your exhale, allow it to move down, down, down to your shoulders. Your shoulders are relaxing even more, dropping a little lower, releasing any tension that you're holding there. Just observe the light resting in your shoulders, across your heart space. This warm, gentle light is making you feel totally relaxed, allowing you to let go of any tension that you're holding there. Physical tension, tightness in your chest, or emotional tension, heartache, stress, worry. Inhale now and let that light glow bright again. Exhale, move it down, down, down into your belly. Your belly is soft and round, no tension there, not holding it in, just allowing it to be loose, soft, round, easy. Again, any physical tension, stomach upset, any emotional tension, worry, a feeling of being untethered, ungrounded. Allow that to be released with your exhales. Still following your natural breath pattern. Everything is easy. We're going to do this one more time together. Glowing bright on the inhale. See the light in your belly space, in your seat, moving down, down, down on the exhale, all the way through your legs, past your knees, to your ankles, and to your toes. Relaxing any tension that you're holding there. Your legs feel heavy, pulled toward the surface beneath you, and you're totally relaxed. And this is so easy. And you're so excited, you're so thrilled with how easy it is to allow yourself to feel peaceful, calmer, more relaxed, more grounded, tension-free. Bring your attention to your breath, maybe repeating out loud or silently in your head, inhale on the inhale, and exhale on the exhale. Know that in any moment, no matter what's going on, no matter what chaos is happening around you, visiting your breath, saying hello, saying I see you, connecting with yourself will allow you instantly to become more relaxed, to feel more peaceful, more connected. With your next inhale and exhale, start to imagine energy coming back to you, traveling to your fingertips and your toes, maybe allowing them to wiggle just a bit, waking yourself up to the outside world, bringing your focus back, opening your eyes if they're closed. And we're back. Hello. Hello, Carol and Roxanne and Darcy. I'm not going to bring you out of this state with lots of chit chat. I'm just going to remind you that all the links to connect with me and find more meditations and find resources like my book and support my new children's book that I'm so excited about, that's going to help so many kids. They're all in the video description. And I always affirm 3 times just to seal it in. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for showing up. I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you. Because I stumbled a little bit on the first one. I'll see ya.